In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an AI agent with Claude. By the end, you'll have a Claude project with a defined role, knowledge uploaded, behavior settings in place, and an agent you can use in chat or automate with the API and N8N. First, create the project. Open Claude, go to Projects, and click Create Project. When the new project window opens, type a clear name so it's easy to identify later. Keep it short and descriptive. Then, confirm to create the project. You'll work inside this project for everything that follows. Next, define the agent role. In the project, open the instructions area. Add a short paragraph that states the role, such as assistant, coder, or support. Directly beneath that, list the tasks it should handle. Be specific about the scope so the agent stays focused. For example, if it's a support role, tell it to answer customer questions using the project files and to politely escalate anything it's unsure about. If it's a coder, state which languages it should use and the type of code it should produce. Keep instructions concise and unambiguous. Clear role and task definitions will guide the agent's responses. Now add knowledge. Still in the project, upload your files, docs, FAQs, or data the agent should reference. Click Upload, select the files from your computer, and wait for the upload to finish. Use clean, up-to-date documents so answers stay accurate. If certain context isn't in a file, add that context directly in the instructions just below the role and tasks. For example, include definitions, key policies, or brief summaries the agent should rely on. Avoid including any private or sensitive information you do not want processed. Once the files are uploaded and the context is added, the project now contains the knowledge base your agent will use. After that, set behavior. In the same instructions section, define the tone you want, formal or casual, and keep it consistent with your brand or audience. Then add clear rules. Write what the agent should do and what it should not do. For example, you might say to cite the source document name when answering, or to ask clarifying questions if the prompt is unclear. For don't rules, you might tell it not to guess, not to share internal notes, and not to provide legal or medical advice. These guardrails reduce errors and create predictable outputs. Keep rules simple and direct so they're easy to follow. Now use the agent. Open the chat inside this project and start a new conversation. Type a task that matches the role and available knowledge, then send it. Watch the response and verify it follows your instructions, uses the right tone, and references the uploaded files when appropriate. If the answer is off target, refine your prompt within the chat, or briefly adjust the instructions inside the project and try again. Continue giving tasks to validate that the agent reliably handles your common scenarios. At this point, you can automate if needed. Use the API to run this agent from your own apps or services. Connect with N8N to integrate Claude into workflows, then add triggers so tasks run automatically based on events, schedules, or incoming data. For example, you can set a trigger that sends new support tickets to the agent and routes the summarized result to your help desk. Once connected, test a simple run to confirm the workflow executes and returns the expected output. Keep your automation aligned with the same role, knowledge, and behavior you set in the project for consistent results. Your AI agent in Claude is now created, configured with a defined role, enriched with knowledge, guided by behavior rules, ready to chat inside the project, and optionally automated through the API and N8N. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.